Hello everyone, my name is Anisha and I'm educator at Warriors Creed Academy. Warriors Creed where we prepare students for all defense exam. So without further ado, let's start with the NDA 1 and 2 notifications which are out on 17th August and we are going to talk about the same. So notifications announced हुए हैं 17th August को 2020 पे. Online registration has been started, will be started on 30th December 2020 for NDA 1 and 9 June 2021 is the date for NDA 2. Exam date भी announced हो गए हैं. For NDA 1 it's on 18th April 2021 और NDA 2 के लिए it's on 5th September 2021. NDA entrance के लिए basically when you clear the exam then you have to be selected for the training academies of Indian Military Army, Air Force and Indian Navy. And after you get clear, you will be called for the SSB interview and the medical test and round, which will clarify you that either you are eligible for NDA and then whole further procedure of training will be begun. So let's talk about the tentative dates. Here are the tentative dates for the availability of the admit card. Okay, it will be come out few days before the entrance exam. Final date to apply is 19 January 2021 for NDA 1 and 29 June 2021 for NDA 2. NDA 2021 examination date has been announced. It is 18th April and 5th September 2021 for NDA 2. Announcement of result is May in 2021 and for NDA 1 and for NDA 2 it will be November 2021 the announcement of the result. So let's talk about the eligibility and physical fitness and the qualification. So the qualification required for Air Force and Naval Wing, okay, that will be 10th and 12th standard from a recognized board which should have maths and physics as their main subject. For Army Wing of National Defense Academy, it should be passed. He or she should be passed 12th from any recognized board. Appearing candidates, the candidates appearing for 12th level or waiting for the result are also eligible for the NDA exam. Physical fitness, students must be qualified for the physical fitness round. So the physical standard which has been set by NDA should be cleared under it, and the candidates who have withdrawn or resigned from any training academies of armed forces or disciplinary ground won't consider eligible. So this is the point to be noticed in the physical fitness point. Exam pattern. So now let's talk about exam pattern. Exam mode is offline mode, pen and paper based. Language, you can choose either English or Hindi. The type of questions are objective type format. Number of section is 2. The first is mathematics and the other is general ability test. Total marks given to both are 900 marks. And if we see particularly general ability test allotted 600 marks and arithmetic given 300 marks. SSB interview round is going to be of 900 marks, but that round will be considered when you clarify your entrance exam. Duration of exam is 5 hours, 2 hours, 30 minutes for each section. And marking scheme is 33% of the marks which are assigned to the question are going to be deducted for incorrect answers. So these all are the notifications which are out by the NDA for 1 and 2, and these are the highlighting points of that notification. And for the same purpose, our academy has also given two courses, NDA 1 and NDA 2, both included. And these courses are further divided into three duration. The first duration is for 30 days, the second duration is of 90 days, and the third is for 180 days. So these three duration has been divided in NDA written course. And don't be afraid of fees. It is 50% off online on our online courses. So it's a good time for you to select the courses of Warriors Creed because now we are providing 50% off on each courses. So without further thinking, you should enroll yourself and start preparing for your goals. Its eligibility age is 16.5 to 19.5 years of age. So do call us and do inform us. But before that, look that you are eligible in the perspective of age and just start your coaching with us. For sure, it will give you the best result and you will be able to pick up NDA 1 or NDA 2 entrance exam easily. So if you have any query, you can contact on the given information. And if you want to enroll, please do further contact us on our number or website, or you can also email us at connect@warriorscreed.in. Thank you and have a nice day.